Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to take about on the topics of an electromotive series, that is electromotive special series, which has attained the special values of EMF series. In that we have shown that the tables as elements which are present in this as a reference electrode, and it acts as a anodic and the cathodic electrodes. Here I have taken some more examples, which is that the special elements of Li plus, which gives of Li, and Mg2 plus by Mg, and Al3 plus of Al, which has the A volt produces of minus 1.66 voltage, and Zn2 plus by Zn, which has a voltage of 0.76 voltage, Fe2 plus by Fe, that is 0.44, Pb2 plus slash Pb 0.13 voltages, and H plus and H2, which gives a 0.00 voltage, which is considered as a reference electrode, and this is the reference electrode which are used to relate on the anodic and the cathodic part reactions. And when from this H plus, there are center reactions which is followed by the cathodic reactions, that is Cu2 plus slash Cu, that is which gives a positive of 0.34 voltages, and Ag plus, which gives of Ag, that is of 0.80 voltages, and Pt platinum 4, which gives of platinum, that is of 0.86, and Au plus by Au, which gives of plus 1.50 electronic volts. Half fluorine, that is F2 plus Fe minus, which gives the plus 2.87, which is considered as all of these below this hydrogen electrode, the copper, Ag, platinum and silver and iron electrons, which is considered as a cathodic protection process because of this electron negativity of values. Before that the hydrogen electrode, over that the hydrogen reference electrode, all these elements which is considered as a anodic protection, which has a negative anodic protection values. So from this table we can consider this, what are the applications have been included in this EMF series. So we can calculate the application by using this calculation of the EMF formula. So for calculating the first the electrons, we are substituting into this whether it is anodic or cathodic, we can calculate the EMF value series, that is for the formula E cell equal to E right minus E left. So what are the elements we are considered as in the E cell equal to E right, that is considered from this anodic process, and E left, which is calculated by using this cathodic process. First the elements we can calculate this EMF series, and the second one is relative case of oxidation and the reduction. So from this table we can identify the elements from other the hydrogen. When compared to the hydrogen reference electrode, the electrons which has a more oxidation capacity during the electrons and more reduction capacity towards the energy level, which has in the same functions, which is reference of the hydrogen. So we can use the relative of oxidation or reduction from the values to gain the electrons. The higher the values of the standard reduction potential, there is some values which considered as from this anodic part we can calculate as lithium as a value of minus 3.01, and fluorine which has a plus 2.87. So from this cathodic process, the fluorine is the most higher tendency towards the reduction process, and it has to reduce the electrons towards the other properties. And from the anodic compartment, in which the Li has plus minus 3.05, which is also having a higher oxidation tendency towards the reduce the electrons from this hydrogen. So from this we can use the values of oxidation and the reduction from this table, that is anodic by using this lithium, and by from this cathodic we can use this half F2 F mark, which gives 2.87 value. So both the process which has the more oxidation and the more reduction potential towards this. And the third one is displacement of oxygen one element by the other. So by using this the elements of this anodic and the cathodic, by using this reference as an electrode, we can able to choose the elements whether the lithium or copper will be displaces, or other the magnesium is silver will displaces. So the correct value of this displacement of electrons by one another, which can be used only for this zinc and the copper. So which has attained the value greater tendency for zinc is has 0.76 values, and the copper which has a 0 plus 0.34 electronic volts. So it can be used as how the electrons can be displaced from one element to the other. Thank you.